Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Telegram video not playing. So first, you just have to go to your Telegram application, go to the three lines, scroll down and tap settings. Now here you have to scroll down and look for data and storage. Tap this one here. Okay, so under data and storage, you just have to make sure that this automatic media download, all of this here are toggled on. Okay, so this one should be turned on, this one should be turned on, this one should be turned on. Also, save to gallery, everything in here should be turned on. After that, tap data usage and go to Wi-Fi. And here, click this auto download media, or you can just simply turn on everything here, photos, videos, files, and so on. So everything in here should be turned on. Now, after you turn on everything under Wi-Fi, you have to go back and check here if everything also is turned on. Chats, groups, channels. Okay, scroll down and see if there's more or there are other options here that needs to be turned on. Once done, you have to go back and see if everything is okay. If not, then there's a problem with your connection. One of the cases while you encounter problems playing your videos, it's because of your internet connection, poor internet connection. Okay, so just check your data usage and then check your internet connection. And that's how easy it is to fix Telegram video not playing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.